Dwarka, an ancient city mentioned in one of the most sacred and ancient texts on earth, the Mahabharata. This legendary ancient city is said to have been founded by Sri Krishna. The city of Dwarka, which in Sanskrit means gateway to heaven, and it is located to northwest of the Indian state of Gujarat. Ancient Sanskrit literature explains how Lord Krishna, the eighth avatar of Vishnu, created the legendary city. Before the legendary city was created, Krishna lived in the city of Mathura. The kingdom was constantly attacked 17 times in total by Jarasandha, ruler of Magadha. In all 17 battles, Krishna prevailed, but Jarasandha did not give up and decided to attack Mathura for the 18th time. Krishna decided not to risk his people and plans to build another city on an island located on the western coast of India. Since Krishna worshipped Samudradeva, the deity was pleased and offered Krishna 12 yojanas of land. As the land was gifted to Krishna, Vishwakarma, the architect god in Hinduism, eventually completed the task of building the legendary city of Dwarka. The city soon grew and became famous, housing thousands of people in hundreds of palaces. The city was extremely well protected and could only be reached by boat. The city was also extremely well planned, divided into 6 sectors which were in turn divided into residential, commercial areas. The city was home to beautiful large roads, incredibly decorated plazas, gardens and artificial lakes, and more than 800 palaces made of gold and precious stones. Furthermore, the legend says that Krishna eventually departed earth and the ocean consumed his city of Dwarka. Until a few decades, the city of Dwarka was just a myth. However, now that experts have actually discovered evidence of such a city existing near modern-day Dwarka, history changes and with it the understanding and interpretation of ancient texts such as the Mahabharata. Underwater archaeologists have recovered a number of ancient artifacts in the Gulf of Cambay, including construction material, pottery, sections of walls, beads, sculpture, and human bones and teeth, all which have been found to be at least 9,500 years old. The vast city, which is 5 miles long and 2 miles wide, is believed to predate the oldest known remains in the subcontinent by more than 5,000 years. The site was discovered by the oceanographers from India's National Institute of Ocean Technology who were conducting a survey of pollution. Experts believe that the area where the ancient city existed was submerged by melting ice caps in the end of the last ice age around some 10,000 years ago. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for latest